Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here it is, chapter 174, Viley Jin Among Mortals. Hello, the total is 38 yuan. Do I need to pack it? It's blending tea. The store is getting busy. Where's Viley Jin? Now, she was thinking if Viley Jin put away that thing, the two heavy boxes. She usually does these things very quickly, isn't she? Hey girl, don't disturb them. As of now, they are busy on doing something. Hehe. Viley Jin is still on the staff room. She already put away the boxes, but she didn't come back yet. On the other hand, this is the scene. They are both busy. Look up then. She was really jealous about Sister Baiwa. Now, Viley Jin is being called. They knocking on the door. But still, Viley Jin keeps silence and didn't respond. Muxi said, "Keep quiet." Oh, she don't really want to be disturbed. These two is really cute couples. A little jealousy. Xiaojing said, "Muxi, let's just leave it alone, okay?" She speaks quietly. She don't want to hear outside about what they're talking about. Muxi said, "How can that be done?" Well, of course, you just wait first until the person outside leave, and then you both go out in the room. But instead, Xiaojing grabbed her and holding her waist. Now they're really close to each other. Boom! It was a loud bang. But still, these two won't stop. A little misunderstanding, and it turns out to be like this. Still, Viley Jin don't answer the call. Please be gentle, don't break things. Why did you leave them there for so long? Oops, you locked the door. You're not going to sneak the snacks, are you? Finally, Viley Jin answered her and said, "I know, I'll come out when I'm done." Well, that's a good move. At least, they say for now. Again, these two continue what they left for. Still, she was holding Muxi on her waist. Muxi stepped back, and now she was on the wall. Probably, Viley Jin is pushing her. Muxi turns red. It looked like she was enjoying what Viley Jin doing to her. Viley Jin never stopped. Now, this little girl is gossiping outside. She was sticking her ears on the door and said, "What's that sound?" Probably, they making a loud sound. That's why they can be heard outside. Viley Jin, you are really eating secretly, right? I even heard that sound. Well, totally, it's not eating. Viley Jin told Muxi to hold on. Well, until they done? This scene is really funny. Finally, she gave up and said, "Whatever you're doing, come out quickly. There will be definitely by takeout orders later. If you continue to be lazy like this, I'm going to file a complaint with the store manager." Oh, this little bossy girl. But instead of stopping, now they still continuing of what they're doing. This two is really cute. Unstoppable. Yuxi said, "Xiaojin is really suddenly like this. I thought Muxi would be happy doing this. Aren't you a little happier?" Xiaojing is smiling. Yuxi is looking at Xiaojing and looks so much engrossed. And then she complained, "Don't try to get away with it. I'm still angry." "Muxi, what are you angry about?" "Xiaojin, you still ask me?" "Well, it's because Muxi is jealous of Sister Baiwa." But still, she didn't tell Xiaojing, right? "What you said to me yesterday about the person who always says strange things to you. When I think about it, I feel it. That was really a jealous." Xiaojin said, "It turns out you are angry. Sister Baiwa asked me to go to see the trees. Then I won't look at it. What's so good about that tree?" Sister Baiwa, Muxi is questioning her. The strange thing Xiaojin mentioned was looking at the trees. Sister Baiwa, "Yes, actually, I didn't want to see it at all. She insisted on asking me to see it." Well, the reason of Xiaojing is really unreasonable. But this caused a really trouble for Muxi. She didn't expect the problem with Xiaojing would cause this too far. Back to her senses, Muxi smiled. Well, she was really cute. Probably she was jealous for nothing. She thought there is something between Baiwa and Xiaojing, right? Yuxi said, "Xiaojing is really silly and can explain clearly." Well, it's really a fault of Xiaojing. She didn't explain what's the real problem. By then, Yuxi misunderstood it. Back to these two, Yuxi embracing Xiaojing. "Although I don't completely understand, Yuxi, just don't be angry. Also, I will never look at trees again." Back to the wedding venue. Seems like the party is going to end. On the other hand, Muxi came to the bathroom. Well, what do you think, guys? What will she gonna do? She's still on the washroom, probably thinking about what happened earlier on. She thought Sisi was feel depressed just like now. He must have been unhappy after hearing what Sister Sinsin said. Sister Sinsin is getting married today and I can say anything about her. Well, definitely, this thing is unavoidable. There's always a person will against about you. It's difficult to handle. I'll try to find a way to coax Sisi later. Well, it's really a better thing. But then, I encountered something even more difficult to deal with. What is this? What is she talking about? Is there something wrong? There's two girls coming to Sisi, and Sinbuyi sees this. What do you think Sinbuyi will do? Is she going to jealous also? Or she gonna make these two? This little girl is asking Buyi that she can become a couple with her friends. Well, this is really a trouble. What do you think, guys, Buyi will do? Now Sin Buyi come closer to them and said, "What's the situation?" Now, is Sin Buyi is gonna get mad. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!